Just like cavities, there are many types of footprints. Footprints are a collection of cavities patterned according to an assembly component that will be attached to the block. The gray envelope around the footprint represents the area that this component will take up. Therefore, other cavities should not be inserted within this space. Footprints can also be rotated in the Cavity Properties menu to match the orientation of the intended assembly component. This first type of footprint is that of a slip-in cartridge valve. Other popular types of footprints are surface-mounted footprints, as seen with this DO3 interface pattern. Flanges are another common type of footprint. Within a footprint, users can hover over the 3D representation for the cavity name, or hover over the cavity name in the cavity list for information regarding each cavity within the footprint. Different nets can be assigned for different cavities within the footprint in the Cavity Properties panel, as well as independently stretched or connected with other cavities. As NetBlock 3D does not yet have a command to suppress a cavity within a footprint, users can reduce the drill depth to 0, and if desired, also reduce the diameter. In NetBlock 3D Inspect, different parts of the footprint can also be turned on and off one at a time for inspection purposes.